Hi, today I am going to explain about the stimulation of macroprocessor in my compiler lab. First, they are saying to stimulate the function of the macroprocessor. Here you can see the question. I have to give a C program which is my input, and the macroprocessor, if the C program is having some macroprocessor function, then it will be expanded by the macroprocessor, and the output will be giving us a microprocessor. So here is my program. First I am creating a scanner class. I am using a string1, string2, string3 array, string3, and I am creating 4 arrays for the first I am initializing 4 arrays. First it will be empty, and the entries will be 20 characters or 20 digits, and next to that I am getting the number of lines from the input from the user as a input, and I have to get the input of the C program by using the next line character. So it will be calculated as next array, and if the I is 0, I less than number. So the number, if we are entering 10, then the lines will be entered, 10 lines will be entered. So this for loop is created. Next to that, we have to, I am creating an array called ch1. So the ch1 array will contains the split elements. So I am creating a string subject like split function. So the splitted function, by the splitted function, the program will be splitted, and the splitted elements will be contained in the arrays. Next to that, if the character 1, which means my array, the first elements is equal to define, then it will go to this if loop. If the second element is not equal to open bracket, then the macro new array will be getting that element. If not, the macro new array will not be getting, the macro will be getting. If the array number is 1, then this para will be getting the element, and it will be stored, and that will be replaced by the string2 dot. The para means the parameter will be created, and the program will be replaced by the expanded view. So next to that, to display the output, we have to create another array. Then the splitted element will be supported, and the expanded macro elements will be shown here. Next to that, if we are creating, if that macro new is not getting the input, then you can see the result element will get the array, and it will display the input. So here I have already given some sample program like hash define a x comma y. So it is defining like the x comma, when it is finding the x comma y, then this function x is equal to y by 2 will be executed, and if the program is seeing pi, then the pi value of 3.14 will be executed. So you can see here the main function a comma b is equal to 10, float is c, and it is seeing that the program a comma b. So here replacing this x comma y, it is coming like a comma b. So this function will be displayed. Instead of x, it will be coming as a, and instead of y, it will be coming as b. So the output will be a is equal to b by 2. Then if it is finding the pi element, then it will be executed as 3.14. So this is my program. If you want some more examples, you can create like hash define So you can see here the A is replaced by 10. This is the problem.